Hello there, this is Tom. Today I'm bringing you a little different video. It's to show off what I've been working with the last few days. So let's go right into it. This is my test world, and this is where I test a bunch of stuff. And at the moment I'm working with 2 versus 2 um, team-based map where the goal is to get to the other team's spawn point and put an IO ender into their end portal brick. So I'm just going to show you what I have so far. This is looking really strange right now. I don't have as much done yet. I have the red team with 1 class ready to go. So let's just get into the red team. Let's take my cameraman in first, and we will end up in this red team box. And at the moment there is just 2 classes. I'm considering to have more than 2 classes, but the thing is that one have to be this gold class, which is the one with the IO ender. So one will be really powerful and the other player will be weak, and the weak player is the one that will have the IO ender, and will also have, like, the protector here is more like a heavy, so he will get slowed down, but he will have diamond sword. The gold will have speed potion, maybe have stone sword, I'm not sure yet. But the special thing here is you have to wait. Both players need to choose their class, and when they do, the door will open. I have to fix that yet because I don't know how to fix it. You can still open this, but you can't exit the room. And then that means that the players are ready on your team. So if you're in here, you're just waiting for your team to be ready. And the next here is that your character is ready, or when both of you are on this pressure plate, your team is ready, and both players from the blue team need to stay on their pressure plates like this as well, and then this will open. I did the blue one now. The blue one is just powered all the time, so they're automatic ready. And you push this button. He doesn't have a button yet. When I push this, I will be sent to a few places, and I will get my diamond sword. I will get strength and slowness. So I can basically just run in and kill them now. Let's see. So what this does, there's basically a button right there which will send you to in here. In here there's one that gives you the diamond sword, and then it's changing the game rules so you will keep your inventory just in case you didn't have it from before. And there's one which will teleport you to here. And here there is one, if I can find it, that set your spawn point to be inside here. and there is one that shoots potions. I'm going to MC edit it so we have full stacks with potions, and I can do multiple potions as well, and I can make the slowness last longer thanks to Seth Blink's plugin for MC Edit. And this is the thing that teleports you to the fighting ground. This is just some simple redstone, in my opinion. I just used redstone I know about. So when both players are standing on their pressure plates here, there's a thing that I don't know the name of, or at least I can't remember it. That it's when both are activated, this will get deactivated and send a signal here to tell that both players have chosen their class, and the signal will go here and retract these pistons, which is the door, and extend these pistons, which is the exit door, so you can't go out. And when you're inside here, there's a piston there holding diamond block. When you're standing on the pressure plates, we'll see here that both players need to stand there, which is going to this thing again and going over to here. So both players need to stand on the pressure plates. Then the signal will stand here and will turn this off. And when both of these are off, this will go on and send a signal back. This is the same thing for the blue team, so that's going to be hooked up to the same pressure plate thing, and this will send signals back to the characters. The same thing needs to be built here, and the signal will be sent back here. It's not repeated, it's inverted here, which will retract the pistons when turned off, and you will be able to push the button. So basically what it is, it's when both teams have chosen their class, they will be able to get into their team room. And when both players from this team and both players from that team is on the ready pressure plate, they will get the option to push that button, which will start the game. Yeah, this is not really much. This is my test world, as I said, and that means there is just testing to see if it's working. I still have a few tests to do with the what is it called, the end portal. My plan is to do like this and basically have in each spawn point, I'll delete that, and I'll change the time, have like that, and have what is it called, a bud switch, I think, which will detect when this block is updating, and when that block is getting updated, you will the game will end. It will send a message, like if I did this, it will send a message that say blue team won, and all the players will be teleported back to the start of the game, which is over here. Will be teleported here. The rules will be set back to default, so you can use MC edit or something to get it into your, let's say, multiplayer world. Um, and yeah, so that's basically it. This is also working. But reason why I'm not building this completely, it's not really good looking at the moment and really messed up. That's because I'm going to do this in MC Edit. Just test it and see how I need to do it, then build everything in MC Edit. And I have not much, but some experience with MC Edit, because I made a map half year ago, I think, which was called Bedrock Madness. I never released it. Um, the idea of that map is for you to get, it's a capture the wool game where you start high up in the sky. I think it's around this level. It was before the height limits, and you have to collect. It's a tree and a house and a little mining cave. It was 4 chunks big, and you have to collect a ton of resources up there to get the ladders you need to build down. And when you get down, you're at bedrock level, and it's completely dark. But with MC Edit and saplings, um, saplings, filter, I can just do that with a potion of blindness and have it to last for, I don't know, a long time. I also want to make it sorry, my phone's ringing. Make it to so you can choose maps, like have, I want to do the Bedrock Madness thing here as well, so you have a dark map. I also want to have overworld, like the regular Minecraft. One in Nether, one in the end, stuff like that. But that's basically what I've been doing lately. So I'm going back to making this, and I'll see you later. And by the way, you might see my hand is different. That's because I'm using another skin now. That's because Assassin's Creed 3 is coming out soon, and I'm really excited, so I made an Assassin's Creed 3 skin for myself. Or basically I took one of the skin from Assassin's Creed 3 and put it in my head and did some transparent stuff with it and got that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you later with something else, which I don't know yet. Bye bye.